5 AI business models that are going to make you wealthy, because AI is not a technology, it is a financial leverage system. When we see the history, we see the factories created industrial millionaires, internet created the digital billionaires, AI is creating the next wealth wave. And will you build something with it? I will be practically guiding you today so that you understand the available business models and use them for your business ventures. First thing, why AI business now? Because low entry barriers, there are no barriers. You can find so many apps, global scalability options available, automation leverage, rising demand of the AI. So the wealth formula is AI plus problem solving plus distribution plus positioning. If you do not know about problem solving, distribution, and positioning, I'm a PhD in management sciences. There are a lot of videos, top 100 business concept I explained on my YouTube channel. You can learn those. You can see that how through the AI you can solve the problems, how distribution works, how positioning works. So we have more than 100 videos on top business concepts that are explained. And the other thing is, this is the modern business equation: AI plus problem solving plus distribution plus positioning. Model one, AI workflows automation agency. So the agency you can open, it will help the companies automate processes using AI tools and agents. Unilever has created 26 data points. They are automating their systems, their processes. Similarly, Amazon, Alibaba, they are using this system. So if you can create some AI workflow automation agency, that will make you a millionaire in coming days. The second, if we see in detail the automation opportunities, is HR screening bots. You can make AI customer support, you can make CRM automation, you can make accounts workflow. Revenue model automation agency will be the project based fees and monthly retainers you can charge them, and ongoing obviously subscription you can charge from the people. The second model is niche AI SaaS. It means software as a service business. Build micro AI tools for the specific industries. Smallish is a massive competition because every other person is working on it. So niche as example means the AI resume optimizers. You can find a lot of AI applications, websites, legal contract analyzers, AI research summarizer, marketing copy generator. And if we see the revenue model, simple subscription pricing, tier based plans, and enterprise licensing, you can have these business models. If you are having difficulty in understanding business model, I suggest you go through our top 100 business concepts. You will find the pricing strategy over there. You will find all these models in details. So the next thing is model 3, AI consulting, help traditional industries adopt AI systems. This is extremely important because traditional companies, they don't want to disappear. And if you are young, you have the energy to study AI systems and make some great company. Industries you can target is manufacturing, healthcare, education, and retail. And revenue model will be obviously for consulting. You have to have the high ticket advisory. You have to implement. You have the implementation cost and digital transformation projects you need to start. The fourth business model in the AI era will be AI powered education and personal brand. Use the tech AI used in your niche. Authority plus AI is equal to global reach. So monetization strategy, you can use online courses, workshops, digital products, AI toolkits. Build scalable AI driven digital tools. Obviously you can do this. This is AI digital product model 5. Digital product ideas can be AI business plan generator, financial forecasting tools, research frameworks, and productivity systems you can generate. In context of Pakistan or developing countries, freelancers can scale themselves globally. SMEs can automate the operations. Youth building AI startups can be started. The risk is waiting for all of us. There is, if we will not do something, definitely we will lose this opportunity. Technology does not destroy wealth, it just transfers the wealth from one technology to another, from one adopter to another adopter. Delay is so expensive. And the last message is, AI will not make everyone wealthy, but those who act early, strategically, and consistently. And will ride the next economic wave. Start building today. If you have any confusion, you have my email over there, and you can book for a consultancy meeting. In addition, I have made 2 more videos that AI is going to replace us. Not AI will not replace us, but the people who will use AI will definitely replace us. Then I also told about the future wave of the millionaire, and these are practically the business cases that we can use. And there are my several books of top selling books that are transformed in context of the AI in modern era. I transform them through as an inspiration from those books. You can also read those. Thank you so much.